If you're looking for those pretty girls, we're not one of those pretty birds. Won't sit still, looking nice just to decorate someone else's life. If you want to find those pretty birds, you can find them in this pretty world. Try and catch one down from the ground. Can you reach high enough? Don't tell us what to say, won't do it anyways, 'cause we're not a companion that you bought. These colorful feathers, soars and stormy weathers, our splendor untethered in the heights. If you desire the beauty, keep your ears open, my dear. These words might not sound very witty, but we will make sure that you hear. Not your pretty birds, 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 not your pretty birds. Ooh, oh. If you find yourself a pretty bird, try to keep them with your pretty words. Pet them and tame them and tell them to hush. But can't you see that will never be us? If you find yourself a pretty bird, you can't keep them with your pretty words. Cage them and train them and domesticate. Thought you should know that it won't be our fate. Tell us what to say, won't do it anyways. We're not a companion that you bought. These colorful feathers, soars and stormy weathers, our splendor untethered in the height. If you desire the beauty, keep your ears open, my dear. These words might not sound very witty, but we will make sure that you hear. Not your pretty birds, not your pretty birds, not your pretty birds. Oh. Not your pretty birds.